Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tantry absent 35, and my partner.
My name is Rianti from absent 13. We are from 12 Science 5.
And we will make a procedure text project video about how to make a bungee egg. And the experiment is we will drop the eggs distance 5 or 10 centimeters on the table, and we will see the eggs will break or not.
Tools and materials: there is 1 egg, vinegar water, strainer, tissue paper, and gloves.
So step 1 is put the eggs in the container. And step 2 is pour the vinegar until the eggs sink. Step 3 is let the eggs sit for 2 days. Step 4 or the last step is try the egg with a tissue. And now we will try to drop the eggs distant from 5 or 10 centimeters on the table, and we will see the eggs will break or not.
Solution is vinegar water has made the eggshells that were hard to become soft and flexible, so they can be reflected and not easily broken. It from us. Thank you for watching.